So hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I am going to show you how to make avocado seed oil. Yes, we're not going to use the avocado inside, we're going to use the seed and the skin. Okay, so this is what the avocado seed oil is going to look like. Let's get started. Before we start making this oil, I want to say a big shout out to WLHMC All Natural channel. Oh my goodness, she is the inspiration behind this video. I saw how she made it and I wanted to make my own, so I thought you guys would like it. So go check out her channel. Thank you. So this is my avocado. We eat a lot of avocado in this house. Like so many people, we end up throwing away the avocado seed and the skin and wasting it. But you guys, after I do this, you will never do it again. So I took my seeds and I took my avocado. I let it pile up. After a couple of days, we ate so many of it. That's why I had so many afterwards. Now, 5 days later, after I sun dried mine, I boiled water. Okay, so you just want to boil some water. Now this is what the seeds look like, and you want to peel off that back because that back has some toxins. You don't want that. So when you are peeling it, you might find that as you peel it, it gets hard. So just use a knife and just continue peeling it. And when you are peeling it, you notice that some of them might have some dark spots in it. Those dark spots, you do not want that in your avocado oil, please. So get rid of it. This is one that totally had dark spots all over. So you're just gonna get rid of all that and just kind of cut all that off, and you're just gonna chop it up. Now a lot of people grate it, and I sun dry my own. Some people don't. They just go straight from eating the avocado to making the oil. You can check out my friend's channel and see how she does that. So I just chopped up my seeds and then I took the peels that had been sun dried and I crumbled about four half shells. I'm calling them shells because they look like shells. I crumbled them up, and after I crumble them up, you guys can see how easy it is just to crumble it up, and it still has the nutrients in there. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I crumbled it up. I took some almond oil. Now you can use coconut oil or olive oil. I used 1 cup of almond oil as my carrier for infusing this to make it avocado oil, seed oil. Now I use 1 cup of it because almond oil is very moisturizing. I use almond oil for my skin, and that is the only oil that I use mixed with jojoba oil for my skin. So I'm just going to take the 1 cup of almond oil which is very moisturizing, and then I'm gonna sit it inside my hot boiling water. So as I sit it inside my hot boiling water, I'm gonna turn off the fire, and then I'm just gonna cover that up and leave it overnight. So leaving it overnight so that it infuses in. Now when I woke up the next morning, this was what it looked like. So you can see the seed nutrients and everything as infused in there. Now you guys, the benefits of this is wonderful. You get amazing shine. It helps with your hair elasticity, and it helps strengthen your hair. I want to know, have you guys used avocado oil? Have you guys ever made avocado seed oil? So after this, I'm just gonna strain it, and I'm going to just get all the particles because I don't want any of that particles in my hair. Some people actually take the grated seeds and they leave it inside the oil, but you all know what struggles I've had with having stuff stuck in my hair. I'm not gonna do that. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do that. So after I've strained it, this is what it looks like. It's this golden rich, oh my goodness, golden rich mixture, and you might want to stir it before you pour it in because you can kind of see the carrier oil separating from the avocado oil. Avocado oil kind of has like more density and stuff, so that's why. So after that, this is what it looks like. Always give it a good shake before you use it. This is genius. This is amazing. You can actually eat the avocado seed. It's really good for your health, but please do your research first. So this is how I have been using it. I've been using it to moisturize my skin in this colder weather, and it's a very light oil, when you moisturize your skin with it, it really absorbs really well. My daughter has eczema, and so this really helps her in the winter season. So this is amazing. And see how my skin is. This is amazing. See, my skin is just like la. So the next way that I use it is also in my hair. So for my hair, I use it to moisturize my hair. So just spray some water, and we're going to do the LOC method. So I'm taking the oil, and then I'm going to give it a good shake first, and then I'm going to apply it in my hair. This really is good, especially if your hair is lacking elasticity. You can use it. You can also, of course, use this as a hot oil treatment before you shampoo your hair. You can take the avocado seeds, okay, and you can grate it, kind of make it into a powder, and then add it to your deep conditioner and use it in your deep conditioner. So those are some ways to use it. How long does this avocado seed oil last? It will last as long as the almond oil lasts. So if the almond oil is like good for 2 years, your avocado seed oil should be good for a good long time. Okay, so yeah, but this is pretty much what I do. This is pretty much how I use avocado seed oil. I want you guys to make your own. Look at that shine. Look at that shine. Yeah. Okay, so I do hope you guys like this, and I do hope you enjoy watching this video. I want you guys, I'm just so amazed at the shine. Okay, girl, we see the shine. Okay, so you guys go and make your own avocado seed oil. Do not throw away your avocado seeds. Stop throwing away your avocado seeds. Stop throwing away your avocado skins. Make some oil. Come on, gift it to a friend. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. It was a labor of love from my heart to yours. Have a blessed day. Love you guys. Bye.